So how do you get a title for a vehicle that has been purchased at auction? This is Dave at CarTitles.com. If you've purchased a vehicle from an auction and you have some paperwork but you don't actually have the title, you may find some difficulty processing that paperwork with the DMV to get a title in your name. Depending upon what the auction gave you, they might have given you just an auction slip, a receipt, maybe even a bill of sale. The state DMV normally will not process any ownership transfer unless it is a legal title that they've given you. In many cases, the problem comes when the auction itself is not a title owner. They're traditionally a broker or an agent for the seller. So if somebody has a vehicle, it's title in their name, it's sold through an auction. It may be an insurance auction, it may be a salvage auction, it may be just a dealer auction. Unless that title has flowed through all that prior chain of owners and the auction is holding it in their hand, you're going to have difficulty getting that vehicle title. When you're watching that car go through the lane, look at the lights above the car. There's usually red light, green light, blue light, white light, and they'll describe the title status of that vehicle. One of the most common status you'll find is title attached. That means that the title isn't in hand by the auction house, but they have it coming from the seller. So if that's the case, you may have to wait for that title to come through from the seller to the auction house. If it doesn't come through, a title attached vehicle means that you can bring the vehicle back, get your money back, and not go through with the sale. If it's showing no title, you may not have any rights to get the title from the auction house, and it's an as-is purchase. In that case, you may have to go through a title recovery process to get a full title in your name. If you do have questions about recovering a title for a vehicle at an auction, you can reach us at our website at CarTitles.com.